So what I'm trying to do is, my air conditioning's working kind of low. It's not as cold as I'd like, so I'm going to try to recharge it with some AC Pro. Looking at the air condition, I've got the AC blowing. The center, this center, believe it or not, controls the air, the temperature of the air coming out of the top vents. So this is heat, this is cold. You'll be surprised how many videos about air conditioning have it set here. It's 77 degrees outside, and the temperature on here is about 85. So hopefully, yeah, I can make this air blow a little bit cooler. I got this, the default set is 62 and 60. This is the low pressure air conditioning. So the pressure is being adjusted right now. It's a little bit low. Now it's a little bit low. I'm going to go ahead and pull the trigger now. Okay, I'm back inside the car. It's definitely cooler now, and the temperature gauge reads 71, 70. So big difference between what it was before and it is now. It's a little bit more full, so yeah, I think this this might get me through this hot summer. So that's it. Thanks for watching.